our channel all about guns. Today we are going to show you how to reassemble 12 gauge pump action shotgun manufactured by Indian Ordnance factories. So let's start with the reassembly. First we are going to take the receiver and attach the tubular magazine along with the spring. Attach the magazine and revolve it clockwise. Magazine has been attached. Now we take the bolt and insert it like this. Now we are going to take the forend and insert the tubular magazine inside the forend. Friends, watch closely how you are going to fix the bolt assembly. Make sure to align the cuts with the receiver. The bolt assembly is in place. Now you take the shell stocks and place them in the receiver on both sides. Align it with the receiver. Like this. Both the shell stocks have been inserted. You can check the mechanism. Now we insert the trigger assembly. You need to match the cuts with the receiver and make sure the hole in the receiver and the trigger assembly are aligned properly, as we need to screw it. Press it gently and firmly. The trigger mechanism and the receiver hole are aligned properly. Now take the screw and we tighten to fix the trigger assembly. Make sure the screw is tightened properly. Okay, now we need to fix the barrel. For that, you need to push this button and move the forend backwards. Now take the barrel and insert it like this. Now you take the takedown knob, screw it, take the screw, fix it on the bottom of the tubular magazine. Tighten it properly. You can check the action working properly. Now we need to fix the buttstock. Align the bolt of the buttstock with the receiver, and you need a long screwdriver. Tighten the bolt properly to make sure the buttstock is properly fixed with the receiver. After tightening the screw, now the last part is to fix the recoil pad. Tighten the recoil pad and it's done. So friends, this is how you reassemble a 12 gauge pump action shotgun. Thank you for watching our video and keep coming back for more such videos.